Hey, I'm Katie with WTI, and I've been trying to build up my home gym, but have found that it can be really expensive trying to find all those different pieces and weights and equipment. So that's why I got myself one of these Pilates bar by Repston. This bar has replaced so many pieces of gym equipment with all of the different ways that I can use it. Let me just show you some of the things that I do on a weekly basis to use this Pilates bar. Now, this bar is so unique. It actually breaks down even smaller than it already is. You can break the bar down into 3 smaller pieces and then pack it up with the resistance tubes in a travel bag. If you are someone that is on the road a lot and you hate to miss a workout, then this is definitely the piece of equipment for you because you can get your workout on the go. This is also great for someone living in an apartment or in a smaller home that just doesn't have a lot of room to work out. This bar has replaced pull-down machines, it has replaced kettlebells and dumbbells because I can do so much with it. Let me tell you, they work. I have been doing this for 2 weeks and I have not been this sore working out since I've been to the gym. I also like that I can adjust the resistance. I absolutely love the amount of variety that this has given to my at-home workout routine, and I can definitely tell that it's really been working for me. Why don't you see if it really works for you? But that's just my point of view.